In the harshest maritime environments, when lives, property, and assets are at stake, reliable communications are essential for ensuring the safety and comfort of crew and passengers, as well as secure operation. At Zenitel, we are here for our customers in the maritime and energy segment. For more than 75 years, we have developed solutions for communication and message broadcasting that can withstand the challenges of maritime environments. Today, we offer world-leading intelligent products for critical onboard communication, ensuring excellent speech quality and intelligibility, reliability, and robustness. We deliver certified and secure systems to create a complete communication and safety hub. With skilled engineers, experienced project managers, and an excellent understanding of the market, we deliver turnkey solutions as expected by our customers. We know the ocean space and have solutions for all types of installations. With the certification from the largest vetting bodies and a focus on cybersecurity in all product lines that require this, we're experts in the maritime and energy segments. Zenitel, because communication is critical.